First, let's define what is the difference between container and the context. IOC container, or we sometimes call it the Spring container, it's a place where all the beans are created. And the container is responsible for creating the beans, injecting the beans, and also destructing the beans, right? And we have also context, application context. So what it means is application context has access to the container. So before we use the XML application context, another way is to use a Java-based configuration, right? So before we use the XML-based configuration, another way is to use the Java-based configuration. So for that, let's go to our Spring App config. So here what we have an annotation configuration, and also we have annotation bean. So this one creates for us the Java-based configuration, and here we are defining our two beans, right? The first bean is the repository and the second bean is the service, and here it's constructor based, and we are passing our repository as a constructor here. So that's it, and our classes stay the same, nothing is changes there. So let's run it and let's see that how it is working as expected. Yes, it works as expected, and as a matter of fact, so what we can do is we can go ahead and delete here our beans.xml because we are not using that anymore, and also we can remove the hello world because also we don't use that anymore, right? So let's run it one more time and let's see that it works as expected. Yes, it works as expected. As I said, we have several ways how we can configure our application. The first one is that the XML based, another one is the Java based, and also we have annotation based, which we are going to talk about in our next episode.